Bali housing prices are going crazy, and not in the good way. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour around our new Airbnb here in Seminyak, let you know all the rental prices and compare it with a few months ago during COVID time. So per month, this villa will cost $2 per month. So this is the pool area in our Airbnb. It is a really nice feature, you know, when you're in tropical country, it's really nice to have a pool. It is really cold and we end up not using it that much. I think it adds a bit to the price, but it is a nice feature to have. You get some nice sun and we've got some loungers there, so that's nice. Let's check out the main bedroom. So this is the main bedroom where we're staying. It's got a nice double bed. The style of the villa is open and the bedrooms are the only place that have AC. It's got a little desk there if you need to do any sit-down stuff, and it's got an ensuite bathroom. This bathroom is open as well, just like the kitchen. So we've seen some cockroaches in there. There are mosquitoes and other bugs, so maybe not your style, but we can sit. So this is the ensuite for the main bedroom. It's nice, it's quite spacious, it's nice design, but it is open at the top like I said. And there's no shower curtain, so this kind of turns into a wet room. Not my personal favorite style, but overall it's nice for an ensuite. Let's check out upstairs. To the living room. So this is the living room space. It is quite nice, this is really spacious. There's some nice sofas. We've got a nice big TV there, which I think is smart TV. But as you can see from the stairs, just like the kitchen, it is open, so can get a bit hot, all those critters and stuff. And to be honest, we haven't used this room at all. We haven't watched on the TV, but then again, we're only here for 2 days, so is what it is. And then there's one more bedroom, let's check it out. In the pictures, actually, this one had a double bed. We thought we were gonna stay up here, but there's 2 single beds instead, so we don't really use it. A little desk space and TV, and this one does have the balcony, not so close to the pool, but there's a bit of a view out there, although it's a bit blocked by those shutters. So, and the last one, here's the bathroom. This bathroom I actually think is a bit better because it's not open, it is closed. It's okay, you know, it's a bathroom, so it'll do. And then the last space, let's go check out the kitchen downstairs.
So here we have the kitchen. As Lewis mentioned earlier, it is open, which can be a bit annoying, especially if it's raining and it gets really hot in here, especially when you're like standing over the hot stove and all. There is a fan, but it really doesn't do that much in this Bali heat. The kitchen is nice enough. It's got everything you need, like all of the utensils, and it even has like a cold and hot water distributor here. And personally, Lewis and I really love having a kitchen wherever we stay because we do cook a lot and that does save money on food and stuff like that. So it's great to have a toaster, microwave and a hob like this with all of the pots and pans and plates that you could possibly need. So that's a big thumbs up from me.
So the price, that's what everyone wants to know, right? Well, let's talk about it. So this price, it does include some good stuff like all your electricity, you can get daily cleaning, it includes water and everything that this house comes with. So that is a pro, but about the numbers, how much does it cost? So in July, this Airbnb will cost £67 per night, which is $79.5 per night. So for a monthly stay, let's call it 30 days, it would be 2,010 Great British pounds or 2,385 US dollars per month. Now, if we look at November, even though that's rainy season already, it would be even more, £2,150 or 2,550 US dollars. So what do you think about these prices? Is it worth it for a place like this? Comment yes or no, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Yeah, do that right now, I'll wait. So this place is nice. It's great to have a pool, it is nice. It's in a pretty decent location in Seminyak, it's quite quiet, but I'm not a fan of the open plan living personally. It's nice to be close to the nature, but in practice it's really hot and lots of bugs flying around everywhere. And I just think this place is way overpriced for what you get at the moment. And the prices in Bali have just gone crazy. So when we first came to Bali in February 2022, we found a villa that was quite similar with this one. Not quite so new, not as nice, but with a pool, 2 bedrooms, and that one was 8 million per month or around $530 a month. You can check out this video up here for COVID prices villa tour here in Bali. But then when the borders opened, there started being more tourists, they told us that price is gonna double or over double. It was gonna go to 18 million per month. So we moved out of that one. We've seen the prices really change in Bali recently, and I think this is a good example of that. We were actually staying at another Airbnb here in Seminyak, 2 bedrooms, no pool, but even closer to the beach, and that one was only $800 per month. The problem with Airbnb is that we booked it for a month, and then someone else booked it for 2 days at the end of that, so we had to move out for 2 days, and we're going back there tomorrow. So we are going to be staying in a few different places in Bali over the next few weeks, so feel free to subscribe if you want to see what you get for your money. And if you want to check out our $800 villa tour, then let me know in the comments below. Or if you want a guide for finding your Bali accommodation, I'll try and make that video too. So safe travels, and see you in the next one.